Picture this. It's October 19th, 2017, and Canadian astronomer Robert Weirich is reviewing routine data from the Pan-STARRS telescope perched high atop the dormant Haleakala volcano in Maui, Hawaii. Suddenly, he spots something that shouldn't exist. A cosmic traveler moving at an impossible 196,000 miles per hour through our solar system, a speed so extreme it could only mean one thing. This object came from another star. What Weirich had discovered would shake the foundations of astronomy and ignite debates that continue to this day. This is the story of Oumuamua, humanity's first confirmed interstellar visitor, and the space mystery that has scientists scrambling for answers even in 2025. Let me take you back to that pivotal night in October 2017. The Pan-STARRS 1 telescope, short for Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System, was conducting its usual sweep for near-Earth objects when something extraordinary appeared in its field of view. Located at the Institute for Astronomy at the University of Hawaii, this powerful telescope sits 10,000 feet above sea level on Maui's highest peak, Haleakala meaning House of the Sun in Hawaiian. The location isn't coincidental. This elevation places it above much of Earth's atmospheric interference, making it perfect for detecting faint, fast-moving objects in space. But here's the fascinating part. By the time Weirich spotted Oumuamua on October 19, 2017, this mysterious visitor had already made its closest approach to our Sun 40 days earlier on September the 9th. Think about that. Humanity's first interstellar guest had come and gone, and we almost missed it entirely. When astronomers finally locked onto it, Oumuamua was already 21 million miles away from Earth, racing toward the outer solar system at breakneck speed. The initial designation was clinical, A/2017 U1, but as scientists realized they were dealing with something unprecedented, the International Astronomical Union made an extraordinary decision. They created an entirely new classification, 1I for the first interstellar object ever detected. The Hawaiian name Oumuamua was chosen by the Pan-STARRS team, meaning a messenger from afar arriving first, a prophetic name for humanity's first confirmed interstellar visitor. As telescopes around the world swiveled to track this cosmic wanderer, the data that poured in only deepened the mystery. Using observations from NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and ground-based observatories, including the Canada-France-Hawaii Telescope, astronomers discovered that Oumuamua was unlike anything they'd ever seen. The object appeared to be dramatically elongated. Imagine a cosmic cigar tumbling through space, roughly 10 times longer than it is wide. Its length stretched between 100 to 400 meters, making it about the size of a football field, but shaped like a massive cucumber. But the real puzzle began when scientists led by Karen Meach at the Institute for Astronomy in Hawaii noticed something extraordinary. Oumuamua's brightness varied by a factor of 10 as it rotated every 7.3 hours. This extreme variation suggested an object so elongated that it was almost unprecedented in our solar system. The reddish-hued visitor was tumbling end over end, catching and reflecting sunlight in a cosmic light show that revealed its bizarre cigar-like silhouette. Then came the bombshell that sent ripples through the scientific community. As Oumuamua sped away from the Sun, it received an unexpected acceleration, a slight but measurable boost in speed that defied conventional physics. Objects in our solar system follow predictable gravitational paths, but Oumuamua was speeding up in a way that suggested non-gravitational forces were at play. This acceleration was detected through painstaking observations from NASA's Hubble Space Telescope, and it sparked a scientific firestorm that continues to burn today. What could cause such acceleration? In our solar system, comets exhibit similar behavior when they approach the Sun. Their icy surfaces sublimate, creating gas jets that can push them slightly off course. But Oumuamua showed no signs of the typical comet tail or coma that would indicate outgassing. It looked like an asteroid, but behaved like a comet, creating a paradox that stumped astronomers worldwide. The mysterious acceleration of Oumuamua opened the floodgates to scientific speculation. ranging from conventional to controversial to downright extraordinary. The leading theory, supported by research published as recently as March 2023, suggests that Oumuamua's strange behavior could be explained by the sublimation of hydrogen ice. Scientists propose that this interstellar visitor might be covered in a thin layer of hydrogen ice that, when heated by our sun, creates invisible gas jets powerful enough to accelerate the object. This hydrogen wouldn't create the visible tail we associate with comets, potentially solving the puzzle of Oumuamua's comet-like acceleration without comet-like appearance. Another compelling hypothesis involves nitrogen ice sublimation. Some researchers suggest that Oumuamua could be a fragment of a Pluto-like world from another star system, composed primarily of nitrogen ice. As this material sublimates in the heat of our sun, it could create the observed acceleration while remaining largely invisible to our telescopes. But it was the more exotic theories that captured public imagination. In 2018, Harvard astronomers Avi Loeb and Shmuel Bialy published a paper suggesting that Oumuamua's acceleration could be explained if it were an artificial object, essentially alien technology. They proposed it might be a light sail, a thin sheet of material pushed by solar radiation pressure. While the scientific community largely rejected this hypothesis due to lack of supporting evidence, it sparked intense debate and brought Oumuamua into mainstream consciousness. The truth is, we may never know for certain what Oumuamua truly was. By the time scientists had gathered enough data to understand its unusual properties, it was already too far away for detailed study. As of 2025, this enigmatic visitor has long since passed beyond the orbit of Neptune, carrying its secrets into the cosmic dark from whence it came. Broader implications: 7:30 to 9 o'clock. The discovery of Oumuamua marked a watershed moment in astronomy, proving that interstellar objects do occasionally visit our solar system. But it also raised profound questions about what else might be out there. Statistical models suggest that at any given time, there could be dozens of interstellar objects passing through our solar system undetected. Most are too small or too dark to spot with current technology, making Oumuamua's detection something of a cosmic lottery win. Since Oumuamua's discovery, astronomers have identified two more confirmed interstellar visitors. In August 2019, amateur astronomer Gennady Borisov discovered 2I/Borisov, a more conventional-looking comet from another star system. More recently, in July 2025, astronomers discovered 3I/A TLAS, which the James Webb Space Telescope observed on August 6, 2025, using its near-infrared spectrograph to unlock secrets about this latest interstellar visitor. These discoveries are revolutionizing our understanding of planetary system formation and evolution. Each interstellar object carries chemical fingerprints from its home star system, potentially offering glimpses into alien worlds we may never visit. They're cosmic messengers, bringing news from distant realms and helping us understand how common rocky worlds, icy bodies, and perhaps even the ingredients for life might be throughout our galaxy. The legacy of Oumuamua extends beyond science fiction speculation into hard scientific progress. Its discovery has prompted the development of new detection systems and rapid response protocols for studying future interstellar visitors. Projects like the upcoming Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile will dramatically increase our ability to spot these cosmic wanderers, potentially detecting dozens of interstellar objects over the next decade. As we stand here in September 2025, nearly 8 years after that fateful October night in Hawaii, Oumuamua continues its journey into interstellar space, now over 4 billion miles from Earth and growing fainter with each passing day. It has become a ghost in the cosmic machine, carrying its mysteries into the void between stars. Yet its brief visit fundamentally changed how we view our place in the galaxy. Oumuamua taught us that our solar system isn't an isolated island, but part of a vast cosmic archipelago where objects regularly migrate between star systems. It showed us that the universe is far more dynamic and interconnected than we previously imagined. Most importantly, it reminded us that despite centuries of astronomical discovery, the cosmos still holds surprises that can challenge our deepest assumptions about how the universe works. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember that right now, invisible to the naked eye, there might be another interstellar visitor silently passing through our cosmic neighborhood. These ancient wanderers have been traveling for millions of years through the cold depths of space, and occasionally, just occasionally, they grace us with their presence, offering tantalizing glimpses into the vast mysteries that await discovery. What do you think Oumuamua really was? A chunk of alien ice, a fragment of a distant world, or something even more extraordinary? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more space mysteries that continue to baffle and inspire us. The universe is vast, strange, and wonderful, and we've only just begun to explore its deepest secrets.